Very excited because this is the first serious film of my career, to tell you honestly. And everybody asks me, you only do comedy, comedy, comedy. And Selina Jetli is always saying, I've always said comedy is my forte, I want to make people laugh. And then comes along a script which is based on a true story with a fabulous ensemble of cast being produced by His Majesty himself. And Mahesh, of course, the way Mahesh narrated the script to me, and I said, wow, now the time has come for me to do a film which people will see Selina in a totally different light. And then I heard, of course, the icing in the cake was that Farooq Saab was also in the film. So, as immensely excited, of course. Then Abhimanyu, who's done a fabulous job in Gulal, he was there. Mahesh was there, excellent cinematographer. Everything was falling into place at the right time, and I think all the ingredients were there to make this film right there, right now.
Ransa had a lot of depth, whereas this character is on a surface level. So it was a good change for me to prove my talent. Now people will say that, okay, this guy can do this kind of roles as well. So I'm just hoping for the best. And Mr. Nari Hira was there as a producer. Selina was there. Mr. Farooq Sheikh was there. Then first time when I meet Mahesh Nair, I was very impressed with him, the way he gave me the narration and he told me about my role. So everything went well.
It was my first film challenge because Mr. Hira said there is a film which I needed to make and I needed to make it in a certain time, which I think I must have adhered to. It was a challenge because I had to cast people who have a completely different image in the market. Selina has a different image in the market. Farooq Sheikh, very choosy. Abhimanyu, a very promising chap. And I had to make them do things which they've never done in their life. You'll see a promo later on here, and you'll see, for instance, Farooq Sheikh doing action scenes, which you haven't seen, for instance. I mean, he curses me, I've made him crawl a lot in this film. Selina here is, you just see what she's up to, and you're wondering what she's doing with the cricket bat there. You'll find out what she's doing with the cricket bat in the film. She's done something completely different in this film which she hasn't done. Abhimanyu again this thing. So it was a very challenging thing, to put this diverse bunch of actors into a project, finish it on time, and I think I have to thank all my cast, my producer, and my wonderful crew. I have some of the best technical people in the film industry who helped me.
Well, there is no makeup in this film, and there was a totally different look. But before I say anything, it was one of my most surreal experiences since I worked with Khan Saab in my first film, and then I worked with all fabulous directors, and this was a totally amazing experience for me because here was a director who decided to write his whole film on my performance. So I really thank you for that. Here's a producer who decided to write his whole money on a character, a film like this. So thank you for that. So a lot of, as all of us always say during every movie, a lot of hard work has gone into it, but with a lot of fun. The movie was completed in no time at all. We had the best group of technicians, the actors, of course. जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है क्योंकि we all know the backgrounds of both the actors are sitting on my either side. But about Mahesh Nair as a director, fabulous technician, knows his job from every from top to bottom. He even knows what the spot boy is up to. That's something about Mahesh as a director. He's so involved, and I guess that caused us all to become so involved in the film.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.